Good morning. Thank you for choosing to watch my video today. My name is Candy, and I have been a Turo power host for over 3 years. The name of my business is Fabulous Transportation. I am so excited today to discuss some topics with you. One is about insurance on Turo. What type of insurance do I choose? You guys have really been stepping up to the plate for me. You've been sending me some amazing questions. So let me start by saying this. Each individual has to make a decision as to the best insurance that fits your business needs. So just for me, I have regular car insurance. I did not choose to do commercial insurance because it is not necessary unless you have decided to do a separate company where you are renting cars out under your own business besides Turo. If you are doing that, then yes, you would want to get commercial insurance. By the way, commercial insurance is a lot more expensive than your regular AAA or Farmers or anything like that. So basically, the way that you determine which insurance, as far as full coverage or liability, that fits your vehicle is obviously if you still owe money on the vehicle by law and per the contract that you signed with the finance company, it says that you have to furnish full coverage insurance. If it is a vehicle that you own and the vehicle is paid off, then you can just choose to get liability on the vehicle. Now, something that a lot of people may not be aware of, you know how California has the law that you have to have the minimum requirement, which is $15,000 per person, $30,000 per accident. Don't ever get that low coverage. That's too low. And I'm going to tell you why. Most cars, on the average, to replace the car, it costs over $30,000. So why would you get a low policy that's $15,000 per person, $30,000 per incident? I would say if you don't own any property and you don't have a mortgage, then I think that you should start at $50,000. It's only an additional like $10 a month or so. And that way, if you were to get into an accident, you can just walk away from the accident because your insurance would cover the whole thing. If you only have the minimum coverage, which in the state that I'm in, which is California, if it's just $15,000, that's not a lot of coverage. And guess where the rest of the money is going to come from if the accident ends up being more than the $15,000? They're going to sue you. They'll file a judgment against you because the insurance company is only going to cover up to the limits of your policy. So I didn't learn that until I got a little older. So when I was teaching my oldest daughter to drive, I wanted to make sure that we had big limits. So I would say start at $50,000 per person. So that's just something that I wanted to mention to you guys. Now, keep in mind that if a guest gets into a car accident, your personal insurance is not affected. You are covered 100% under Turo. As long as you have followed the policies on Turo, you took all your pictures, you took a picture of their driver's license and made sure it was valid and that it was not expired and that the person standing in front of you renting the car is the person that is on the driver's license. As long as you have did all of that, Turo will cover 100% of the damage. If you guys have any additional questions, please send me a message on the YouTube channel. Thank you so much and have an amazing day.